The MAREE Hair Serum seems to be a promising hair styling oil specifically designed for frizzy, dry, and damaged hair. It claims to contain a blend of nourishing ingredients such as argan, jojoba, and avocado hair oils, as well as vitamins A, C, E, and B5. These ingredients are known for their moisturizing and repairing properties, which can help improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. One of the key features of this product is that it is a leave-in serum, meaning you don't have to rinse it out after application. This can be convenient for those who prefer low-maintenance hair care routines. The serum is packaged in 30 capsules. However, it's important to note that individual results may vary, as everyone's hair is unique and may react differently to products. To get a better understanding of the product's effectiveness, I would recommend checking customer reviews and ratings online. This can give you insights into other people's experiences with the serum and help you make an informed decision before purchasing. Overall, the MAREE Hair Serum seems to be a promising option for those looking to tame frizz, moisturize dry hair, and repair damage. However, it's always a good idea to do some additional research and read reviews to ensure it aligns with your specific hair needs and preferences.